a tiny peek here with the camera on, just placing some of these circles. The latest is to try to come up with working on art that is going to be the tree background. And as I do this, I come up with other ideas. I'm not really sure how anything works until I print it out and test it. And right now I'm just trying to fill up the space. And what I'm going for, so there's two directions. I'm just gonna make this first version, which with the overlapping, these little circles are 80% opacity, and it's a little bit like knitting. You know, you just do one tiny step at a time. And it's very meditative. I get to breathe and be in my bubble and stay calm. Even as the world looks like it's falling apart, but it's coming together in so many beautiful ways at the same time. So this is going to be my first version, and I can just talk to you while I'm doing this little, repetitive task. And then I'm going to make another version where the circles are going to be super tiny and a little bit inspired by Gustav Klimt. And then I'm also going to do a version where I think I'm going to try it. The opacity is going to be 100, and I'm just going to make big circles like this, and maybe even not have them touch. I'm not really sure. And then yeah. And then I'm going to print everything out and see what it looks like to have, the idea is to glue one of these tiny quill things on them. So it's, of course, you can't even see it here, but here it is. So yeah, this is another stage of this. It has a long way to go. Sending love.